Hey guys, welcome again to the channel, Foreign Society. Um, Today, yes, yet again, it's a Civic. And today, I got my front camber arms in today. I already took the old ones, the non-adjustable ones. They're pretty bad anyways. So, I'm going to go ahead and install these today. Since I got the new tires on. I have the back ones on right now. I'm gonna grab the front ones after I install the control arms and test it out. Yes, I already got the old ones out. They go right here, connect here. There's two bolts, 1, 2, that you got access on the inside of the engine bay. And then take those out. They are a 14. And I believe this nut here for the ball joint, it's also a 14. It might be a 16. We'll find out. I'll show you in a second. Then install them. You're gonna see that. It might be a time lapse, might not. Then I'm bring tires out here and get off the jack stands for a little bit. The engine is pretty much all done. I just need to get a harmonic balancer, install that, and get installed. Yes, got the whole front cut out. I got mounts. That's gonna be a whole nother video for the DIY lip I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have the radiator, intercooler and stuff attached to the lip because frankly the bottom support on here was broken because it was lower and they bashed it out. So this is gonna be a project, but get the headlights on. I do have the new fenders. I bought those. They came in the other day. I didn't make a video on that because it's just fenders, but then quit chatting and install these real quick. These do adjust with the Allen keys right here for the ball joint to go in and out, positive, negative, and those two go towards the shut tower. Undo this. I might get a washer for this. Might have one. Might not need it. But let's install this. Doing. So bolt right here. Nice and tight. The other side's on this. Same thing, tighten it. And that's about it. Then install the other side. I'll put a clip in when I got it all done. And I'll bring the wheels out and load the car.
Whew. Well, that's going to be the end of the video today. So, I'll catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Helps me out. This is one of my dreams. Is building a car. I built 2 others, but not as much as this. So, hope I can catch you in the next video.